Okay, so I'm going to start with BTC this morning. So after the rise up yesterday, there was a rejection at basically up 40,000. So these two lines I added last night, and I drew them across from previous resistance. So I didn't put it exactly at 40,000. See, there was a bit of resistance, a support, and there was some resistance there. And then I found the same on that yellow line there. And when I came back to the price, it was like 40,000, and that's basically 41,000. So I think those are just emotional round numbers that people have got preset sells where they sell, and then it takes a while to get through there. So this box that I've been pulling across from for the past few days have come into play again. So there was some interaction with it, with the bottom of the box. There was some interaction with the top. Then nothing. It went straight through, and then that line. I also found some resistance across there. Maybe not that important. So it went up and it tested the 40,000. Came down the top of this box again. Went up again, not quite to the 40,000, and came and retested the bottom of this box and wicked out to the top of this one. And then again up there and again down here. So I must say this. I woke up this morning and I saw this. I've already got a position open in BTC. So, but I would have gotten in here on the retest of this box. So recently Bitcoin has shown it goes down, and if it goes down to the same level again, then you've got a good opportunity of getting in. Not always a guarantee, but the odds are with you, stacked with you if you do that. Another good thing that I'm seeing here is probably by Sunday morning early, we will reach this upward trend line. Yeah, if I just zoom out a bit, it's been respecting this trend line for quite a while. That whole triangle setup worked perfectly for the breakout there. So I think this is a good thing because I'm in a position I wanted to go up, but this is more healthy for the macro view on Bitcoin to just trade sideways for a while and really strengthen this support resistance, or more, it'll be more support in the future for a very good leg to the top. So I'm very happy. I think the market is turning healthy and good for future trades here. And then just on the Ethereum, I'm very glad we're out of this red Ichimoku cloud on the 1 hour. I think the 4 hour actually looks a bit better. We touched on the green Ichimoku on the 4 hour. We're up there, so there's a possibility of coming down here, but I think that structure is going to protect us there. And that's what I needed to get to. So the market went up here, and it formed a bit of, there was some rejection on this box. So immediately that becomes structure. So that previous resistance becomes future support. So if you break through there, you come back to that same level, that resistance is now support. And look how perfectly it played out there. So I wouldn't have expected it to come down that deep. I would have probably expected it to turn at the top there. So I was wrong the first time, but now the second time it seems we've broken out cleanly, and now I just retest the top of that box. So that's just previous resistance levels, and I made it a box because that's quite an important area from our history. I've marked this yellow line is also previous interaction. Looked like it went through and it touched it. We nearly cleared it, went up, and it came down again. So it has proven to be a slight resistance and support. So let's see what the market does. Once again, the same for Bitcoin. I think there's some sideways movement which makes the market quite healthy. I think this will probably look more or less the same as our Bitcoin chart. Although we don't have enough touch points here, but also the market will reach it by Monday. But I'm more interested in this Ichimoku cloud turning green around here. So that's tomorrow, and it'll probably become powerful by Sunday afternoon when Bitcoin is also going to start touching, this trend line, and the Ichimoku is also green. So I think good times ahead. Can look for some entries if you're not in an entry already. but this looks really healthy to me. I would if I wasn't in a position, I would probably set a entry for the top of that box, and hopefully it just retests again. Now there it's going down already. So yeah, good times ahead, I'm sure. Right, that's me. Cheers.